Hello everyone, now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Take a small portion from both the sides, tie it to make a beautiful bow. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First you have to make a pony and then a heart-like structure and then make a beautiful bun like this. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can learn these different styling ways and you can make beautiful buns and then you can rock the party. If you do not have much time, these hairstyle will give you beautiful look in just few minutes. You can style them using beautiful hairpins and hairbands. You have to make a braid like this and then with the rest of hair, wide it and then finish it using a hairpin. Now let's proceed with this style. Make a braid like this and finish it using a hairpin. Take small portion and then you have to braids like this. From other portion you have to make the same way. Then you have to settle it using a beautiful hairpin.